Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how I make this meatless waakye stew. I like making this stew when I don't have a lot of time, but I still want that waakye stew flavor. And this recipe, of course, also fits well into a vegetarian or vegan diet. For the stew, I use oil, ginger, onions, tomato paste, garlic, salt, a spice mix, pepper, and canned plum tomatoes. Start with cutting the onions. The type of onions you use does not matter. The only reason I use different types of onions is because that's all I had. Peel the ginger and cut it. And in a blender, combine the onions, Scotch bonnets, ginger, and garlic. To help my blender along, I'm adding a little bit of oil. You can also add water like I did in my previous waakye video. But later on, we will be cooking this to get rid of most of the water content. So adding water at this point will result in me having to cook the stew longer. Set it aside and blend the tinned tomatoes. So normally I don't cook onions like this when I'm making waakye stew, but because I'm not using meat or meat substitutes, I am going to add these onions for a little bit of bite. I cook the onions for about 3 to 4 minutes. Then add the blended garlic and onion mixture. Cook it over low to medium fire and do not forget to stir it to prevent it from burning. The longer you cook it, the more you will see it shrinking, the oil will rise on top, and the color will also change. I cooked mine for about 10 to 12 minutes. Now I'm adding the tomato paste. Mix it and cook it for another 4 to 6 minutes. Now it's time to add the blended tomatoes. Here I'm adding salt and spices. I use my own spice mix, but you can use any other spice mix that you like, or you can even use Maggi cube if you want to. I like adding the spices and the salt earlier in the process, but you can also add them later on if that's what you want. It really all depends on your personal preference. Mix it and cook it over low to medium fire for about 15 minutes. Keep stirring the stew to prevent it from burning. To cook this stew, you need quite some oil. If you like to reduce your intake of oil, you can scoop out some of the oil when you're done cooking it. And there you have the waakye stew. If you guys like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for weekly recipe videos. Thanks for watching, guys.